Good morning. I'm Cadet Gibara from BSMTYA-14. We discussed today about the manufacturer's instruction. So, if you don't know the use of manufacturer guidelines in ensuring the safety in shipboard operation, it's always advisable to follow manufacturer's instruction to understand the operation of piece of equipment. For me, there are many reasons to follow manufacturer instruction. When you are in the shipboard, your captain in the ship, they have a duty to protect anyone who can be affected by their work activities. And therefore, following manufacturer's instruction can allow us to comply with safety legislation. It can be used against the defendant where an accident occurs that they didn't use manufacturers. Also, before you board the ship, it is important that you know the rules for your safety because they have a safety legislation that provides a duty to manufacturers to provide suitable information and instruction on safe use. Also, you need to know the risk assessment. It is the information that can help form a risk assessment that will then allow us to develop suitable controls and always wear protective equipment to protect us against the hazards associated to a machine or equipment. Lastly, also you need to know the ISM code. I think it published in 1998 explain shipboard safety policies to ensure a safe working environment on board the ship. Also, the major purpose of the ISM code is to provide an international standard for the safe management and operation of ships and for pollution prevention, and to ensure safety at sea, the prevention of human injury or loss of life, and the prevention of damage to environment, particularly the marine environment and the property. That's it. Thank you for watching.